Morning viewer, welcome to our Active English. The ecology of the North Atlantic is constantly changing. Sometimes it changes abruptly. Extreme events are one driver of such sudden changes. A team of researchers has discovered now that a single large-scale heat wave has affected ecosystems and tropic interactions in the subpolar North Atlantic, and the effects are still felt today. The study has now been published in Science Advances. Viewers, such as event even impacts us humans because it changes the distribution of fish species we are adapted to fishing and eating for decades. Explained Dr. Carl Michael Warner from the Tunen Institute of Sea Fisheries and first author of the study. Marine heat waves can have certain and unpredictable effects on life in the ocean. One of the questions arising from the study is under which condition such heat waves can develop. We found that more marine heat waves occurred after 2003, but they did not have a similar effect compared to the one in 2003, says Warner. The researchers investigated how a large-scale physical extreme event affected the distribution of organisms and species communities in the ocean. They examined about 100 biological time series of this purpose. Important data came, for example, from the LTER Long Term Ecological Research Observatory Hagastron of the Alfred Wagner Institute Helmholtz Center for Polar and Marine Research in Bremerhaven, here in the farm strait between Svalbard and Greenland. Long-term ecological data have been collected for 25 years. A majority of the examined parameters showed abrupt changes in 2003 or shortly after. In 2003, a so-called perfect storm happened in and over the subpolar North Atlantic. A perfect storm describes a combination of events with dramatic or highly surprising implications. Unusually, low amounts of Arctic water flew southwards of the east coast of Greenland, while unusually high quantities of warm subtropical waters entered the North Atlantic between Iceland and Scotland. Atmospheric temperatures above the North Atlantic also reached record high values in 2003 in this exclusive report.